Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to share my healthy morning routine with you. This is what I normally do on my days off whenever I have a little bit more time. I hope this inspires you to incorporate some healthy habits into your routine, so let's get started. I usually pray Fajr and go back to sleep, so this is me waking up for the second time and just turning off my alarm. I get out of bed and I put on my favorite slippers and I go straight to the bathroom to work on my skincare routine. First, I put on my favorite robe. This one is by Barefoot Dreams. It is so cozy. And I usually use a micellar water and I use a serum and a moisturizer in the morning. I don't do anything like too harsh in the morning just because I do like my deep cleansing at night. And I'll link all the products that I use down below. So as soon as I'm done with my skincare routine, I go into the kitchen and put some essential oils in my diffuser. I usually do lemon or peppermint or something uplifting in the morning. It really wakes me up and it makes my house smell like a spa. Then I make myself a big glass of lemon water. I find that it's a lot easier to drink a lot of water first thing in the morning when my stomach is empty, and the lemon tastes so good, it's so refreshing, and it really alkalizes your body. So I'm just making myself a cup of tea using my little instant kettle, which is a lifesaver. It boils water so fast. And I love this Numi organic breakfast blend tea. It's super yummy and definitely wakes me up. I've been trying to drink more tea for my caffeine rather than coffee, just because coffee, unfortunately, even though I love it so much, has been giving me like heartburn. So tea it is. So here I am making some gluten-free toast with some peanut butter. I just like to eat like something really small in the morning just to settle my stomach with the tea. And then I'll have like my bigger breakfast later after I work out. So I head to my living room and I grab my laptop and I check emails that I might have missed overnight. I check my social media like my Instagram, my YouTube, comments, and things like that. And I just love starting my day off reading all of your comments. You guys are so sweet and supportive, and I love y'all so much. And if you're not already following me on Instagram, my name is WithLoveLena, and I would love for you guys to join me on there. I share all of my like travels and daily outfits and stuff like that. So once I'm finished, I go into my room and I try to straighten up a little bit. I'm not gonna lie, I don't make my bed every single day, but I'm trying to make that a little bit more of a habit. Then I get ready to go to the gym. I pack my gym bag with my water, my headphones, my phone. I get dressed. That was so fast, Lena. And I bought these new Nikes just to motivate me to go to the gym. They're so cute. I'll try to link them down below for you. So this is what I'm wearing to the gym. I'm wearing some joggers, a long sleeve running shirt, and a jacket that I tied around my waist just for a little bit more modesty, and my jersey hijab. So as soon as I get back from the gym, I am starving. So today I'm making a smoothie. I'm putting in some bananas, berries, some peanut butter, and some almond milk, unsweetened. And this is just like a really simple way to get some more like fiber, nutrients, vitamins in your body, and it tastes super yummy. One thing I do want to add is a protein powder. I just haven't found one that I absolutely love yet. So if you guys have any recommendations for like a vegan gluten-free protein powder, the whey kind of hurts my stomach, so I would love your recommendations. So I'm pouring one for me and one for my husband Omar, who filmed this entire video for me. Thanks, babes! So a little hack I learned on YouTube like forever ago is to clean your blender, you just put water and soap in it and turn it back on. It is so easy to just rinse out after you finish. I am really making it a point this year to take my vitamins every day. So I take a multivitamin and a probiotic. And fun fact, I had a really hard time learning how to take pills when I was little, so I have to do the water and then take the pill. So then I jump in the shower and then I get dressed and do like a really simple everyday makeup look. I just want to look like alive, fresh, glowy. I'm just gonna go run errands today. I I go ahead and I put on my everyday jewelry. I have some really pretty dainty rings and my Daniel Wellington watch that I love. It's rose gold, so pretty. And then my favorite perfume right now, the Jo Malone Wood Sage and Sea Salt. So this is my full outfit to go run errands today. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. It was so much fun creating it for you guys. Please subscribe so you don't miss any more videos, and I will see you guys next time.